Hey guys, trains around Kent here, and again, not on South Eastern Main Line as usual. And today we are at Chelmsford on the Great Eastern Main Line. Today I'm being joined by Roscoe Train 107, Cam J Kerman, Train Spot East, and AT Trains, who's munching on a sandwich. So over there is 360 118 heading off to Clacton-on-Sea from London Liverpool Street. 360 117 on the front and 360 118 on the rear. It's 1 November 24, the 1352 Greater Anglia service to Clacton-on-Sea. So we'll see what else turns up here at Chelmsford on the Great Eastern Main Line. Enjoy it. Departing now is going to be the 1352 Greater Anglia service to Clacton-on-Sea from London Liverpool Street on 1 November 23. 1 November 24 on the front is 360 117 and on the rear is 360 118. And as that heads off to Clacton, we'll see what else arrives to passers by here at Chelmsford. About to pull in now, it's going to be the 1356 Greater Anglia service to London Liverpool Street from Clacton-on-Sea on 1 November 39. I believe it's going to be a single 360.
Greater Anglia service to London Liverpool Street.
I'm not too sure about that. I think you'd probably be a 321. But it's hard to tell between the two because they both operate the same.
I don't know where the 4-coach stop sign is on.
4-coach just all the way down there. It's really too far. I like for Intercity, but unfortunately, 4-coach. It's probably just, yeah.
You alright?
I don't like heights.
We'll catch that one. Pulling in there is going to be the 1403 1 Papa 32 Greater Anglia service to Norwich from London Liverpool Street. It's one of the intercity sets.
The next train at platform 1.
On the front is 82 136. And on the rear is 90002. And we'll catch that in there is pulled in there is 321 437 on the 1356 Greater Anglia service to London Liverpool Street, running on 1 November 39. Then we'll see where we're catching now is going to be 321 437 on the 1356 Greater Anglia service to London Liverpool Street from Clacton-on-Sea. And as that heads off, 90002 and 136 heads off to Norwich from London Liverpool Street. Rebel. And we'll catch that as Departing now is going to be 82136 and 90002 on the 1403 Greater Anglia service to Norwich on 1 Papa 32 from London Liverpool Street. And we'll see what else passes by here at. And arriving in now is going to be the 1409 Greater Anglia service to London Liverpool Street from Colchester Town on 2 Foxtrot 45. It is 360-115. And we'll catch that. Passing now is going to be the 1409 Greater Anglia service from London Liverpool Street from Colchester Town to London Liverpool Street with 360-115.
Yes, for the last one made.
Whoa! Nearly fell off the chair. And we'll see what else arrives, departs or passes by here. Arriving in is going to be 2 Foxtrot 53, the 1412 Greater Anglia service to Colchester Town from London Liverpool Street. It's going to be 2 of their 321 electric multiple units. On the front is 321202, one of their Renatus units. And 321332 on the rear. Let's see what else arrives or departs here at Chelmsford. Departing now is going to be the 2 Foxtrot 54, the 1412 Greater Anglia service to Colchester Town from London Liverpool Street. We'll see what else arrives or departs here at Chelmsford. Departing now, we have the 1421 Greater Anglia service to London Liverpool Street from Norwich. On the front is 90010. And the DVT on the rear is 82133. We'll see what else arrives or departs here at Chelmsford. To pull in, we're going to have the 1 Foxtrot 26, the 1422 Greater Anglia service to Braintree. It's formed of 2 of their 321 electric multiple units. On the front we have 321344. Also pulling in there is 321347, headed to London Liverpool from Braintree. And on the rear here is an ex-Great Northern unit. It's going to be 321 420 blazing. And there is 321347 on 1 Foxtrot 45 to London Liverpool Street, 1426 Greater Anglia service. And we'll catch that now is the 1426 Greater Anglia service to London Liverpool Street from Braintree. It's 1 Foxtrot 45. On the rear is going to be 321 435.
Okay, departing there is 31347.
And we'll see what else
435.
see what else arrives, departs or passes by here at Chelmsford. About to pass by is going to be 1 Papa 34 with 1427 Greater Anglia service to Norwich from London Liverpool Street. On the front is 82105. On the rear is 90003. Heading off to Norwich from London Liverpool Street. See what else arrives at departs here at Arriving in is going to be the 1 Yankee 20, the 1434 Greater Anglia service to Ipswich, forward of 2 of their 321 units. On the front is 321 335. And on the rear is 321 On the rear is 321 361.
Whittam, Kelvedon, Marks Tay, Colchester, Manningtree and Ipswich.
And we'll catch that as it departs. Off goes
As there's
321
also
335 and 321 361 on the way to Ipswich from London Liverpool Street. And we'll see what else arrives or departs or passes by here at London, not London, it's Chelmsford. Pulling in now is going to be the 1440 Greater Anglia service to London Liverpool Street from Ipswich on 1 Yankee 43. It's going to be a pair of, I'm going to say there, 321s. I've got 3 minutes until this thing comes in, so I don't know why I'm filming now. So I'll come back. Pulling in now is going to be the 1440 Greater Anglia service to London Liverpool Street from Ipswich on 1 Yankee 43. It's going to be a pair of, what are we placing bets on, 321s or 360s? 321s or 360s? Can you see it?
Yes.
It's a pair of their 321s.
Pairing of 321s.
On the front is going to be 321 351.
The front is 321 351.
And we'll get the rear unit as it departs.
The rear unit and departs.
It's almost like I just said that. Departing now is going to be the 1440 Greater Anglia service to London Liverpool Street from Ipswich. What was the front number? I've forgotten. 321 351. Now departing. And on the rear is 321 315 Renatus, whatever the fuck it's called. And we'll see what else arrives or departs here at Chelmsford. Pulling is going to be the 1452 Greater Anglia service to Clacton-on-Sea from London Liverpool Street. It's going to be a pair of their 360 Desiro units. On the front is 360 101. And on the rear is going to be 360 120 with the remainders of an Abellio Greater Anglia logo. Oof indeed, Cameron. We'll see what else turns up here at Greater. It's going to be 360 101 and 360 120 on their way to Clacton-on-Sea from London Liverpool Street. And we're right next to a pub, so if England score, we're going to find out. Football's coming on. Well, it's not, we're going to lose. It's going to be great fun watching all those people just drink their sorrows away in the next 10 minutes. And we'll see what else arrives here at Chelmsford. I went a bit. We have the 14 something or other. 1454 Greater Anglia service to London Liverpool Street from Braintree. Thank you. And we'll catch that as it departs. About to depart is going to be the 1454 Greater Anglia service to London Liverpool Street from Braintree, I want to say. And we'll catch that. By, we're going to have a freight service going to Felixstowe North, Freightliner terminal. Watch me get bold. Watch me get bold. Watch me get bold. That's why I'm walking up. Hauling this, we have 66550. And there goes the 1454 Greater Anglia service to London Liverpool Street from Braintree. It's 321426. And we'll see what else arrive. Oh, we're also about to have a intercity service from Norwich to London Liverpool Street. Pass through. Love it. Oh, I'm still filming, bollocks. Thank you.
Something happened.
I was gonna say, we ain't scored already, have we? About to pass by, we have the intercity service from Norwich to London Liverpool Street. 90004. And on the rear is 82102. We'll see what else arrives or departs here at Pull-In. It's going to be the 41503 Greater Anglia service to Norwich from London Liverpool Street. It's one of the intercity services. On the front it's 82132. Football's coming on. With those beautiful Mark IIIs. And on the rear is 90008, the East Anglian. And we'll catch that as well. Now is going to be the 1503 Greater Anglia service from London Liverpool Street to Norwich. 90008 on the rear, East Anglian.
Through Swedish football. Yes, you're racing right to England's coach for a time. His best days came when they got to the World Cup final in 1958 on home turf.
And we'll see what else turns up here at London fucking
And that,
pulling in now. It's going to be the 1509 Greater Anglia service to London Liverpool Street from Clacton-on-Sea, I want to say. Clacton-on-Sea, 360 113 on the front. And we'll catch this as part of 1509 Greater Anglia service to London Liverpool Street from Clacton-on-Sea, Colchester Town even.
It's happened a few times. Walker, Dele Alli, actually, all have been guilty of misplaced passes. Just interesting, Southgate's coming out there. He wants to have a little word just to settle them down and talk about passing. Just take better care. Does it feel nervy to you? It does feel a little bit nervy. The game started.
And pulling in over the other side is going to be the... So that on the rear is 360 108. Pulling in there is 360 102 and 360 something or else or other. And 360 116 heading off to Colchester Town from London Liverpool Street. And we'll catch that as it's departing over there is the 1512 Greater Anglia service to Colchester Town from London Liverpool Street. And we'll see what else turns up after that. Pulling in now is going to be the 1522 Greater Anglia service to Braintree from London Liverpool Street.
and now arriving is 1:28, the 1522 Greater Anglia service from London Liverpool Street to Braintree. This will be calling at Witham.
It's a pair of their 321 Electro multiple units.
We'll get where they are.
On the front is 321 434.
And 321.
And on the rear is 321 330. See what else arrives here at pull-in is the 1521 Greater Anglia service to London Liverpool Street from Norwich.
Seating is at the front of the train.
Starting and arriving, London Braintree is arriving in here is 147. No, wrong. There's one back to
On the front is 90012. We'll catch that as it departs. Now departing is the 1521 Greater Anglia service to London Liverpool Street from Norwich.
class car.
Huh?
This one's 8 coaches as well, but it's got one less standard class car.
The next train at platform 1 is the 1526 Greater Anglia service to London, Petersburg, Chelmsford, Stratford and
And on the rear is 82152. And we'll see what else arrives or departs here at. Approaching as our final train of the day is the 1527 Greater Anglia service to London Liverpool Street to Norwich. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I'll leave you with this. 82107. And 90013. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!